Eat a 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie. Dumb ways to die.
I'm not gonna fight you, Snotlouse! You see that? The future chief is a coward! You heard me! Come on, hit me!
You know you want to.
Fine, but remember, you wanted this. Ow! Ah! What'd you do that for? Ah, hold on, I gotta take it. Enough! All of you! Enough! This is all pointless. It doesn't matter if we stayed or left.
I thought that was the game we were playing. You know, what would have happened if we had never left?
It's not a game, Tough Nut. It's not a dream. It's not a way of life. It's reality. It actually happened. We trained the dragons, we left Berk, and my father is on his deathbed because of it. Because of me. None of this would have happened, and I mean none of it, if I had never shot down Toothless in the first place. You know it. I know it. Berk knows it. Everyone knows it. Even he knows it.
I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put the blame on me.
But a mother never forgets.
I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like girls.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want
Playing dirty now, huh?
You asked for it. Looks like there might be a wedding after all.
Oh, how dare you! That was a low blow. No, you are not getting away.
I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you'd be mine.
Fuck you, my child is completely fine.
Wanna stay on the ground now. Our people will need a chief, and there you are. There comes a day when you're gonna look around and realize happiness is where you are.
Who are you?
There's just no way. I'd never do the kind of things that you've been doing. Oh, spare me. Just stop it. Why are you acting like the part of me that I hate? I wish it would just go away. Why are you so warm? Why do I have to feel your body heat? Is there no escaping you? But how can you? I'm laying just like you are now, aren't I?
We can be a family. What do you say?
Yes.
Who died and made you chief?